Wait, did Canon just release the most affordable video camera for small creators? Wow. If you are still creating with your phone or struggling with gear cost, we want to hear this. I just found something that might really change the game. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I saw this camera, the Canon EOS R50 V, and no, I haven't used it yet. But when I looked at what it offers and how much it costs, I said to myself, this is something small creators need to know about. If you are like me, you know the struggle. You want better quality, but your budget doesn't always match your vision. You see creators with all the high-end gear and you feel stuck. But imagine having something simple, affordable, and actually built for sole creators like us. That's where the Canon R50 V really caught my eye. It's compact, mirrorless, and video focused. You get 4K at 60 frames per second, a flip screen, perfect for vlogging, and even front-facing record button. I love that, especially when filming alone. Oh, and vertical video support is built in. No more rotating in post. But here is what surprised me the most. It blows some features from Canon's Cinema EOS lineup. That's their pro gear. So yeah, this might actually be a hidden game for creators on a budget. You've got fast autofocus, it tracks your face as you move. Want slow motion? It shoots 120 frames per second in Full HD. Live streaming? It's built in. USB, HDMI, or app. No fancy gear required. And get this, you can control it from your phone, wirelessly, or even with USB. That's a lifesaver when you film alone like I often do. Honestly, when I started, I had nothing fancy. Just a broad camera, a small room, and a dream. But I stayed consistent. I keep making stuff with what I had. If I had something like this back then, wow, that would have helped a lot. Look, I am not being paid to say any of this. I haven't even used the R50 V yet. But for what it offers and the price, it looks like a strong pick for new content creators and vloggers. It's compact, powerful, and doesn't break the bank. If you've already used the R50 V, drop your experience in the comments. And if you want me to get it and do a hands-on review, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more audio content creation tips. And remember, no matter what gear you have, keep creating because your story matters. If you want to check out the Canon R50 V, I have added the link in the description.